Yeah, my name's Colin James. I'm sort of speaking on behalf of, what? I'm Plumber. Ah, yeah, good night.
Pierdolę Plumber.
Ja pierdolę!
Ja, pierdolę!
Tak co masz?
Pierdolę Plumber.
Pierdolę Plumber.
No, but, nie, you fucking shit. Oh.
Oj, take on?
Look, speaking on behalf of the crazy big shutdown today, and it's crazy day of the 13th of crazy Friday of October. Right? Me and myself and Stormer, we made things possible today. Right? We saved people from the line of hypothermia.
Yeah.
So we then got it together. There's a bit of a cut of a drop, sorry. Do a crap of a job like but we have to put this fucking shit on and try to do a live connection like. You like that? Let's put it down.
Sure, that's exactly what we have to do, Con. Come on.
Right? And of course basically we have to cut this fucker off, right? And put this cutting on. See? So we've got this cutting on, so we screwed this bastard on. And we got that. And thus the connection was made. On the return.
What about the hot return?
On the return there, okay, it was a bit of a cunt. Tried to bring you a fucking stormo meister in. Yeah? We've done that, put the flanges up already, and we come to a bit of a fucking shit fuck up. Right? And we have to fuck this off. No good shit wanker. Right? And if you listen back home, fuck you. Right? So we had to come to a quick decision, well I did. I instructed Mr. Stormermeister to continue with the copper. Right? So we then put a 35mm gate pop. Okay. So there we go. Hell fucking cool, Lord. Yeehaw. Get fucking in there. Yes!